Alright, so after I restarted my computer, turns out that that actually was part of the problem. The other problem, I think, was the projects I was opening were I forgot to set the compliance mode for them, so that might be why they didn't work. Excuse me. But nonetheless, I'm back now, and I did find out, however, that the system does somewhat work. But let me show you what it's doing currently, because at the moment you can enter it, you can move around, do whatever. As soon as you press the pause button, boom. Now normally it's supposed to do that, and it's supposed to say pause right here. But also normally, as soon as you press the space button again, it's supposed to unpause it. Listen. As you can see, it doesn't unpause. So, so now I gotta fix that. Let's see here. Pause equals 0. Instance deactivate all. Not me equals true. Let's see if there's... Okay. Now I want to see... instance deactivate all. Not me. Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah. So anyways, this is correct. That's coded properly. Oh, and it also sets alarm 0 to 5. Alarm 0 says pause equals 5. Okay. Then we got the draw event. This is just supposed to do this. Let's see here. This is 320 by 240, so this should appear within the thing. Unless I need that. That might actually be the case. So let's see if it shows up now. And no, it's supposed to show up somewhere on the screen. Once again, it doesn't unpause. Okay, so let's take a look at the unpause thing. If pause is greater than 0, then instance destroy. Alright, so I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to reference a project from GM8. The project in question... Actually, I could probably just reference that one. Hello. There it is. Okay. I could probably just reference this one. Let's see here. Step. Oh, no. It's not in there. It's in this one. Okay. When you press the button, checks instance number. If it's less than 1, then it creates it. That part's fine. I don't know why I'm looking at that. Okay, let's see here. And then, and here I have it as a step, but if pause is greater than 0, instance destroy. Yeah. In other words, that should technically work. But that's in a step event. That's not... Okay. I think I'm going to code this in step as well. Modify, replace, step, control code, if keyboard check pressed VK space. If pause is greater than 0, then instance destroy. Ah, wait a minute, I think I forgot something. Yes, I did. Add upon destroy, instance activate all, and that should finish the pause system. Now it should work perfectly. Well, maybe. Not getting my hopes up, to be perfectly honest. But that having been said, okay, so everything works except for the graphic when you, the thing that says pause, the draw function. This thing is visible, so... Let's see here. 125, 240. Let's change this to 50 for the moment. Because it might have been drawing it off the screen. And I'm willing to bet that that's what it was. There it is. Oh yeah, that's big too, which means that it definitely would have drawn it off the screen. Okay, so number one, this needs to be, let's see here, 110 or so, and this one needs to be 75, nope, 100. Needs to be 100. Save, run. Okay, so it needs to go left a little ways and then down a little ways again. Which means this should probably be about 90. And then this one should be about 150. Actually, 150 is probably way too low. But if it is, we will see. I love this song. Yep, way too low. Furthermore, let's change this to 85, and this to 120. That's better. Alright. What's with the damn boulders? Now the boulders aren't working? Like, seriously, what the hell? Wonder what's with that. I mean, I fixed the damn boulders a year ago, it seems like. It wasn't that long ago, but still. Feels like it. Upon destroy. Couple can be heard as false. Good. Where's the create event? Oh, no, there is no. There is none. Okay. Place empty. Below it. Boulder falls false. Boulder falls true. Alarm 0 sets the path. A couple can't be heard as true. Collision. What is that? I accidentally added that. Let's see. Collision with man. Boulder falls false. Instance destroy. Okay. I'm so confused. I don't get it. Why are these things suddenly not doing it? What the hell, man? I literally have no idea what could possibly be wrong with these things this time. Let me change this to place free instead of place empty. I really don't know if that's going to make too much of a difference, but in this case, no, it doesn't. You know what? Honestly, I have no idea. About the only thing I can think of is just to recode everything as far as the boulder goes. Which means I can do that very easily by unlinking this and doing it all here. Okay. Normal step. If place free x y plus 16, then boulder fall equals true, alarm 0 equals 10, and boulder fall equals false. Okay. Alarm 0 can be global dot can be hurt equals true. Path start pth underscore boulder fall speed of 3 end action 2 false modify on destroy global dot can be hurt equals false. On collision with object man, if boulder fall equals false, then instance destroy. Modify collision with general collision, instance destroy, and collision with mind parent, instance destroy. Alright, hopefully this works. And it doesn't. Oh, what the hell is wrong with this thing? I have an idea. just to test something. If this doesn't work, then that means every single boulder object is deactivated, which should not be the case. This should work. As soon as the game starts, every single boulder on the screen should destroy itself. Okay, so that means that these things are technically working, but for some reason it's not doing what they're programmed to do. Okay. And now they're not. Now it's not colliding with the player at all. I know why. Actually, I don't know why this doesn't work. And now all of a sudden they don't work again. I don't understand this. Actually, I think I might know what's going on. Come to think of it. And if I'm right, it's the stupidest thing ever. And now they work properly. in every capacity except for that, but I know why, so... Alright, delete everything. Parent of... Builder parent. Been recording for 25 minutes already, and I'm not even sure that I worked on anything other than the boulder. It must be getting late. Wait, what? Why did those ones destroy? Did I edit this at all? Place free, not place empty. I'll change that back. But other than that... I mean, surely I didn't... excuse me. Surely I didn't do anything else with that. But maybe that's the difference between place free and place empty. I don't know. Okay. That's that. Still does not hurt me. What the hell? Pretty sure that's the global. Now, immune. Yeah. There we go, much better. Everything is fixed and it's working! Yay! Alright. So, next order of business, I need to fix the HUD, or rather, move these things over a little bit. Which is to say, the score. So, I'm going to label these real quick. Health, score, and the score needs to be moved over by about 10, maybe 20 pixels. So that'll be, let's try 10 first. So that'll be that, and that'll be 260, and the boxes will be 210 and 210. Let's look at that real quick. Almost to where I need it. I think 20 more and it should be fine. Actually, let me just change it 40 more. So it's plus 40. So that one will be that. This one will be 300. Well, that's odd. But I know exactly why. Whoops. Okay. Problem is, I don't know entirely how to fix that. Other than to... Okay, well, shoot. Let's try 305. Let's see if that's... It's probably not nearly enough. This is gonna look weird, by the way, because I didn't change the outline version. Yeah, it's not enough. Furthermore, I think I should move these back, so back by 10, so that'll become 40. This will be 40, and this will be 290. Furthermore, these need to be, let's see, 320, I think, 325. No, that's wrong. Because the width of the view is 320. Yeah, no, that's wrong. Okay. Furthermore, I'm going to move these back again to 20, so it's minus 20. And then I'll move this 10 pixels inward. That is pretty close. I'm trying to get this space to be about the same amount of space as this space. But this is about 7 pixels in, I think. And that is... Well, it's... It actually looks like about 5 pixels, so I'm going to have to move that. Let's see. Yeah, that's 7 pixels in, so I'm going to have to do... Oh. Yeah, that is only 5 pixels. Alright, so let's do 7 pixels in on these then. That way, hopefully, it will be the... Well, it should be exactly the same amount of space. There we go. It looks better. Okay. I'm going to move the health number over to the left just a little bit, and then decrease the width of the health box. So, let's see here. Drop text to the one that says health. The number. I'm going to move that over by 5 pixels. And then the box, I'm going to be moving over by 10 pixels, so that would be 85. That might be too much. Wow, that's perfect. Man, I love it when I do that. Anyways, so now I've got my health box. You know what? I'm going to decrease it just a little bit more because I want to put it... I want to basically make it to where it is... basically like we do with the score box. I want to move the right side of it inward a little bit to be slightly similar to the left side. So that requires the number to be moved again by about 3. I'll just do 5 more. So that becomes 65. And then the box, instead of 85, I'll do 80. And then if the number is good, then I will move that inward more. Okay, the number looks good, so I want to move it in more. Let's try 75. I think that's a little bit too much. But only just. Ironically, that's too much too, but I think I would just want to move the number over a little bit. So let's see here, 68, 68. Let's see, how long has this been recording for? 37 minutes. Alrighty then. That ain't too bad. Ooh, too much. Two pixels to the left. I call it basement. 2 pixels to the left. Perfect. Now then, the reason why I've been moving these things over and changing them around a little bit is because we're going to add another one. Or at least I'm going to add another one. You guys aren't developing, you're just watching me develop. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to add another couple of HUD options here. Number 1 is going to be for the count as far as the step count goes. So yeah, let me see here. That requires another rectangle. I'm gonna copy this one because it has some stuff on it. Let me just go ahead and comment these so I know which one it is. Health background. Score background. This one will be step background. Okay, so I need it to be at least 85, so let's see here, plus 85, and then let's see, 7 to 78, that is exactly 71 pixels wide. But I should probably do it similarly to the other one, which is about 97 pixels. So so 85 plus 97 see here. $180. Why am I doing this in my head, or trying to do this in my head? I have a calculator. Now, normally I'm very good with numbers, at least addition anyway. But it's midnight. It's actually after midnight, so it's 12:32. You guys can see it on the screen. So let's see here. Let's see, 85 plus 97. I almost forgot the numbers. 182. I was close. I said 180 something, so this one should be 182. Alright, so that is for the background. If I copy that, I can paste it down here. Change this value to true. And that'll be that. Health border. Score border. And step border. Okay, next. Step. Draw text. You know what? Let's see here. Now I'll just copy this one. Paste. What the hell? Let's try that again. Copy all of it. Paste it. Thank you. Alright. So, this one starts on +9. But that's 2 pixels outside of this one. So I should start this one on 87. That way, it's 2 pixels outside of this one. Now for the view, for the Y, that should be fine. And then this one is steps. And then copy this, paste here. Let's see here, what's the difference in these? Let's see, steps. Okay, so it's 1 less letter than health. Huh, it should be the same distance as score then, because of that. So this is 222, 270. That is a difference of 52. So I should do a difference of 52 for this one. Now hopefully that will actually work. And change this to global dot steps. I actually don't remember the variable. Move count. Alright. Global dot, instead of global dot steps, global dot move count. Alright. And that will count the steps that it takes to do things. Hopefully. And also hopefully it will display the things on the screen. No, it doesn't even do anything. That's so unfair. All right. Furthermore, my my rectangle is way too wide. Let's do 85 to 182. Well, that would probably be why. Okay, so let's do 142 instead. Furthermore, let's global dot move count. For some reason, that didn't work. Global dot move count plus equals 1. Wrong thing. Global dot move count equals 0. Let's see if that fixes it. There they are. Perfect. Alright. Now, the only thing I need to do is extend this border again. So, let's do 55. And there we go. Okay. Okay, yeah, no one's gonna be doing 1,000 steps, so if I just move it over just a tiny bit more, like 68, then yeah, it should be fine. Yep, that's better. And I just happened to stop on 115. That's hilarious. Anyways, so let's see here, 49 minutes. That's not too bad. Yeah. Let's see here. Just did part 3, so I'm uploading videos, by the way. Okay. Honestly, I don't know what to add next. Actually, you know what? Let me try something, because... Wait. That's HUD, not pause. Huh. I need this. I want to see what happens when I add this. Actually, let me just do refresh, because if I try this with GameMaker 8, it crashes my game every time. I want to know what happens if Enigma tries to do it. I see. So it pretty much just freaks out. But nonetheless, it works. For the most part. I mean, like I said, it just kind of freaks out, but... Let me do redraw. And see what that does. Because like I said, every single time I try to do that with GameMaker 8, it crashes my game. Every single time. It's very annoying. But, yeah. I mean, if this works with Enigma, then that's just another reason for me to start using Enigma more. So, yeah. Okay, now that crashed the game. So, I know which one I need to use then. In that case. Close program. I'll go ahead and close that too. Okay, so... Screen refresh. It is. Plus, the scan lines on it make it kind of look like it's the scan lines on it kind of make it look like a VHS tape. So, yeah. Of course, that's also probably not good for my TV either, so... I should probably just see if I can make it to where it will refresh once, but not more than once. So, let me go ahead and do that. If refresh equals false, then refresh equals true, and then upon destroy, refresh equals false. that should, in theory, make it refresh once, and only once. And if it doesn't, then I'll have to make a global variable. So technically, I either have to live with the scan lines or... Weird. Yeah, that can't be good for my monitor. Wrong thing. Cancel. Okay, I said cancel. Anyway, save anyway, because it needs it. Keyword list, functions. There was a thing that I saw regarding the refresh rate for monitors. Let me just check screen. Let's see here. Screen refresh. Screen redraw. Screen initialize. Okay then. Window get full screen. Window set full screen. Sprite create from screen. Sprite add from screen. Let's see here. Screen set viewport. Screen save part. Screen save. Let's try window then. GUI? What? I didn't even know those existed. Okay, let's see here. Let's see, it's not in screen. It's not in window. Display reset? Wait, display. I think that might be it. Display set frequency. There it is. Display set frequency and then the frequency. Huh. That must not be it then. I think that's one of them, but there was a couple of them. Well, anyways, either way, it's not really important. I'll just comment it out. Okay, so far I have 2 rooms. Teleporters work. I have a title screen. I have a GUI, all except for the time. Time, yes, I need to do that. Okay, so in order to code time, without using the date system, then you do control code in a step event, and then you do milliseconds plus equals 1 if milliseconds are equal to 30. Now keep in mind that this initial number, this right here, goes by the speed at which your game runs. So default is 30 frames per second, but if you move it up a little bit to 60 frames per second, for example, then you're going to want this to be 60. Alright, so if milliseconds is equal to 30, then seconds plus equals 1, and milliseconds equal 0. Then, if seconds is equal to 1, then minutes plus equals 1, seconds equals 0. It's literally that simple, you know. But here is another thing done, because I'm about to add it to the screen. And you can tell I'm getting tired because I'm starting to speak gibberish. But yeah, this actually isn't that difficult. All you gotta do is just make another box. I'll grab this one. Okay, so the ending point for this one is 168, so I'm going to want this one to be slightly more than that, so it'll be 173, I think. Yeah, seems about right. And then it'll go until, well, pretty much until the other one starts, which is 220. So let's do 215. And that is time background. Copy that. Paste here. Turn that to true. Time border. And then down here, time. And I'm going to grab this one instead. Okay, so this one starts at 173. So we're going to set this value to 178. Let's see, I think, no. 173, so it'd be 175, actually. It'll be exactly 175. And then y plus 9. And then this one, instead of saying score, we're going to set this one to minutes. Now, for time specifically, this is actually going to get a little bit more complicated because you have to have 5 of these instead of just the 2, or 3 for that matter. But yeah, copy that, paste. Let's see here. We'll try 185. This one will be seconds. And then 195. And this one will be milliseconds. Furthermore, at 180, then I should have that. And at 190 also. Now let's see if that looks okay. No. No, it does not. The box looks fine. Everything else doesn't. So, I actually think I know exactly what happened, because these need to be globals. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Ah, the wonders of copy and paste technology. Paste, paste, paste. And then, let's see, that goes until 215. So I can actually do from 175 to 190 actually, to 190, from 195 to 210 specifically. Furthermore, this one can then be 180, let's see, 180, 190, 188, I think. And then this one can be 208. Let's try that. Well, that ain't gonna work either. I wonder why that's not displaying. Because they're not initialized. You know, I keep having to remember that, you know, to remember the fact that I have to initialize these things. So, global dot milliseconds equals 0. Global dot seconds equals 0, and global dot minutes equals 0. Alright, now let's see what the numbers are. If they show up. There they are. Okay. Ironically, that's not too bad. I mean, it's horrible, but it's it's not as bad as it could have been. I need to make a small version of the font. So until this point, we've been using the same font, FNT Pixel, but this is not going to be small enough. And this is the large version, so FNT Pixel, Alt, I'll have to do FNT Pixel Small, SML. And this one will be 4. It's tiny right here, but in game it'll be legible, I promise. At least I hope it will. I mean, I only decreased it by 2, so by 2 points. Oh, nice. Ah. Someone commented on one of my videos, and I forgot to change that. FNT Pixel SML. Now let's try it. Alright, let's see here. YouTube. Gotta upload another one. But before I do that, I'm gonna look at this person. Okay. Okay, well I thought it was gonna be legible, and why in the world? Oh, I know why those changed. And the pixel font, the small one, is too small. So let's do 5 on that. See if the numbers are legible there. And if they are, then I'll have to reset the size of the others, and then that'll be that. Okay. Yeah, that might be good. No. No, it won't be. It's gotta be at least 6. Which is not a good thing, because I really wanted a timer, but it's not gonna fit within that space. I guess I don't really need a timer. Okay, well, since I can't have a timer because of the thing being too small, might as well move the steps to the center. So that looks like about 25 pixels. When have I ever been right? Let's be honest. For a second there, I thought it wouldn't open. Okay, so 25 pixels, so that would be exactly 100. And then 25 from this one would be... oh god. It's an uneven one. Okay, let's see. Calculator. 168 plus 25 equals 193. Okay, and then the text. 87. Good god. 112. And then 164. Okay. That's better. Except the word steps and the 0 is too far. Which is kind of weird, because I literally shifted everything by 25. It should be the exact same, you know, general location, but it's not. Alright, so let's see here. $102. Much better. Okay, so now that I have a step counter, I have a score counter, and I have a health counter, I can... let's see, what can I do next? I think I should do the programmable in-between screen, basically, where every time you complete a level, it'll take you to one of these screens, which will show you the score, that you got within that level and the steps that it took you to get there. Let's see here. That actually won't be too difficult. Because all I have to do really is duplicate each level and then remove the hero and then add another variable basically and remove the use of views, or at the very least change the view to fit the entire room. Yeah. Alright, so not insert resource. Delete that. Yes. Duplicate resource. Settings. This is room 0.5. No. Room 0. 1. No. Room 0A. Lowercase a. Alright. Remove hero. As soon as I switch to objects. Delete that. Then views. Let's see, it should be 640. Yeah, 640 by 480. So 640 by 480, and then port on screen 960 by 720. That's fine. Following nothing, and I'll have to do the other thing. Let's see here. I don't really want to put it in there. I'll put it in here. Okay. Well, no, that's just for the title screen, though. How long have I been recording? Hour and 18 minutes. I think this might be the last thing I do tonight. So as soon as I get this done, I'll stop recording, and then I'll probably upload what I have, maybe, and then tomorrow I'll pick up recording again. Let's see here, GUI menus. Let's do in between rooms, and then create resource. Object, end room. Okay. Delete both those. Now then, draw. Let's do SCR text. And then this is going to be a little crazy, but bear with me. Score plus score plus line break. score plus line break plus let's see, line break steps. That's the one. Steps plus global dot step count comma plus, and then I need to do one more line break, and then press enter to continue. Put that through there like that. Then speed of 1, view, x view 0 plus, let's see, it's 640, so that would be 320. And then view, y view 0 plus 240. I really hope that displays properly. But anyways, it'll be that, and then modify, we'll do key press, enter, then go to next room, no effect. And just to make sure that nobody can do it, that nobody can accidentally skip that, wait equals true, alarm 0 equals, let's do 90, that's a second and a half. So modify alarm 0, wait equals false, and then press enter, delete that. If wait equals false, then room go to next. And that will be the end room. Now the only thing I have to do is add this to wherever. GUI menus, and between rooms, end room. I'll just put it right here. That's what it is. So now, hopefully this works. But yeah, if it doesn't, then I might just call it a night anyway. So yeah. In order to get there, though, I have to actually finish the whole thing. So I love that. Sorry. Okay, so no text. But I think I know why. Because this whole thing needs to go in the create event and not in the draw event. Still nothing. Okay, let's see here. Views, 640 by 480. Portal screen, 960 by 720. Oh, excuse me. Upon create. View X view 0 plus 320 by 240. So yes, it should be in the middle of the screen. Script text score plus steps plus global step count plus press enter to continue. Okay. Maybe I gotta change the depth on this. I'm hoping that's not the case, but never know. Huh. You can't even skip. I have a sinking suspicion that it's not the location that it's in. Yeah, no, it's not the location. Ah, shit. Oh well, guess I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Draw, GUI, and resize? You're kidding. I didn't realize the GUI and resize were even there. Anyways, on draw, then draw set color, see height, draw set font, FNT pixel, alt, I guess. Draw text extended, view x view 0 plus 320, view y view 0 plus 240. Score. Speed, nope, not speed, separation. -1, view, W view 0. No. Actually, yes. I believe it's actually global.move count. This is the second time today that I am looking this up. Yeah, move count. Jeez. Wait, what? Where'd you go? Okay. Save. Test. Now that just makes no sense. Oh well, I'm going to call it a night because I'm tired, and yeah, this is part of, I don't remember. Let me see here. Desktop. This is part 6. I've recorded multiple hours of footage today, and yeah, I've gotten actually pretty far with this. I'm honestly almost done with all of the major features. Tomorrow I'm probably going to add a bomb or something, like bomb items, and then after that it's just a matter of building levels, pretty much, you know. But anyways, thank you all for watching this recording session. Potentially it could be just like a couple of minutes or a couple seconds for you if the next video is uploaded by now, but yeah. Either I will see you when the next one's uploaded, or I will see you in a couple seconds. Whichever. Or I'll see you never if you just decide never to watch me again. But anyways, thank you very much for watching if you did. And stay tuned for the next one. Take care.